Affiliate marketing. It sounds complicated, right? But trust me, it's not as intimidating as it seems. Simply put, affiliate marketing is like being a salesperson for other companies' products or services. Imagine recommending your favorite book to a friend. If they buy it based on your recommendation, that's essentially what affiliate marketing is all about, except you get paid for it. You promote a product or service using a unique link, and when someone makes a purchase through your link, you earn a commission. It's a win-win situation. The company gets more sales, and you earn money for your efforts. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that it's accessible to anyone with an internet connection and the willingness to learn. Let's break down how affiliate marketing works in a few simple steps. First, join an affiliate program. Companies offer affiliate programs that allow you to promote their products. Amazon Associates, ClickBank, and ShareASale are just a few popular options. Next, choose your products. Select products or services that align with your interests or the audience you want to reach. Then, get your unique link. Once you're part of an affiliate program and have chosen your products, you'll receive a special link called an affiliate link. After that, promote your link. Share your affiliate link on your website, social media, email list, or anywhere you have an audience. Finally, earn commissions. When someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's that straightforward. The more effectively you promote your links and the more valuable your content is, the more commissions you can earn. Affiliate marketing offers numerous benefits, making it an attractive income stream for many. First, flexibility and freedom. Work from anywhere, anytime, and be your own boss. Next, passive income potential. Once you've set up your campaigns, they can continue to generate income even while you sleep. Also, low startup costs. Unlike starting a traditional business, affiliate marketing requires minimal upfront investment. Additionally, a wide range of products. Promote products in virtually any niche you're passionate about. Finally, performance-based earnings. Your efforts directly translate to your earnings. The more you promote and drive sales, the more you make. Section 4. Choosing your niche. Finding the right products to promote. Selecting the right products to promote is crucial for your affiliate marketing success. Here are some factors to consider. 1. Your interests. Choose products or services you're genuinely interested in. Your enthusiasm will shine through in your promotions. 2. Audience needs. If you have an existing audience, consider their needs and what products would be valuable to them. 3. Product quality. Promote products you believe in and would personally recommend. 4. Commission rates. Different affiliate programs offer varying commission rates. Research and compare to find programs that align with your goals. Section 5. Creating valuable content. Attracting your target audience. Content is king in the world of affiliate marketing. By creating valuable and engaging content, you can attract your target audience and drive traffic to your affiliate links. 1. Blog posts. Write informative and engaging blog posts that review products, compare different options, or provide helpful tips related to your niche. 2. Social media. Share engaging content, product recommendations, and special offers with your followers. 3. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters or promotional emails featuring your affiliate links. 4. Videos. Create product reviews, tutorials, or demonstrations on platforms like YouTube. Remember, the key is to provide value to your audience. Don't just focus on selling. Focus on educating, entertaining, or solving a problem for your audience. Section 6. Maximizing your commissions. Tips for success. Here are some practical tips to help you maximize your affiliate marketing commissions. 1. Build trust with your audience. Be authentic, transparent, and honest in your recommendations. 2. Optimize for conversions. Use clear calls to action, compelling headlines, and high-quality images to encourage clicks and purchases. 3. Track your results. Monitor your clicks, conversions, and earnings to identify what's working and what needs improvement. 4. Stay updated. The affiliate marketing landscape is constantly changing. Stay informed about new trends, products, and strategies. Affiliate marketing takes time and effort, but with dedication and the right approach, you can turn your passion into a profitable online business. So take the first step, explore different affiliate programs, and start earning commissions like a pro.